Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm Chapy. Today we're doing back brakes, and hopefully we can get this piston pushed in today. See how this shit goes. It's just stressful, bro. I'm never letting shit like this ever sit again, bro. I learned my lesson. I never want to deal with this again.
First time, right?
Yeah, first timer. So it's not too bad. Gotta get this last one out.
Oh, but you already look like a pro.
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
Alright, so you took the wheel off. What are we doing next?
We're gonna be removing the two bolts on the back of this. I wouldn't even know what you want to call this. Caliper.
Back into the caliper.
Okay. So, all right, we're starting somewhere, right?
What year's the SI?
2012. Not too out of date for sure. But,
Caught me for getting an SI when I got rid of mine.
no, right?
I was like, yo, I got a Subi now. He's like, yo, I got an SI.
You got rid of yours at the worst time too, man. You think so? Yo, they be letting shots off at that range, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, motherfuckers don't care.
That's why I try not to come out of the garage and shit.
Oh God, I'd be too scared, bro. Hey, we could get out the hub, but can the hood leave us? Hey. Why do I feel like they're not like strong?
What happened?
Why do I feel like these aren't working? Oh, because it's not.
Alright, so we got the two bolts off already.
Okay.
I just put like a flathead right through there. There you go. Now, right out. There you go. Yep, should be it out. Cool. Now you got that off.
Yep.
So that box over there. Yep.
Alright, John, you gotta clear mine now. I'm frustrated.
Bro, no work. Like we got this today.
I'm sure this will be way better than last night.
Oh, it should definitely.
Last night they were trying to get this done and it was ridiculous.
Yeah, I got home at like 9.
Oh, not that late then.
But coming straight from work, you know what I mean? After a long day,
Yeah.
it's definitely like crazy.
This car has just been giving me good luck.
What happened?
This car has been actual good luck to me so far, except for a couple things.
Huh?
This shit is
You
working.
thought I was patient? This nigga's way more patient.
You got it?
John, you sticking around for some Bad Sons pizza?
Who's that?
Josh.
Josh! Look at what I'm doing, Josh. Look what your boy's up to. So is it scraping because it's not tightened all the way?
Put a, oh, you gotta let that go.
Let's
Put another one on the other side.
Oh, it's over here?
Yeah. That should keep it tight.
Tina, you got the grease? Where's the grease at?
No idea. Check my table.
What the hell? Alright, so what here?
So put that through there first.
Okay, so obviously this is how the calipers are gonna go over, right?
This is the hard part because this is extended. Is your e-brake on?
Let's see. Yeah. What size is this now? What size is this? Small as fuck. 12 maybe?
I think it's 14.
12?
Oh, baby girl.
Okay, my fault, partner.
Yeah, big easy.
Chop big mechanic now. How do you know?
When it'll click. Usually it'll click. Yeah. I just heard it. Yeah, It's $150 right there.
For this?
Well, no. Yeah, just for the shit go along.
Jesus.
Drive to that lot right there, and then turn around there. Yeah, I do a little bit. See if you get to like onto the road, and it's still squeaking, and we'll come back and do it. What's going on?